We just got word from another satisfied customer of ours who wanted to tell the world we did a great job. They were so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. Here's what they had to say. Reviews like this motivate us to keep working hard for them and all of our customers, providing the best service possible for now and in the future. We strive hard to achieve this. All of our customers were new at one time, so we are always excited to speak with any of them, whether they're new or returning. Simply call the number on your screen and contact us today. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.